Hello, good morning. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. All of us are very sad about the incident what happened in Shillong. You are knowing Northeast is a safe place and it should not have happened like this. Very sad it is. Now what action should be taken? First thing, at any cost, the culprit should be caught. The government will do its level best. Locals, even the tourists. If we find any person with even suspicion, it should be informed so that again such things will not happen. And the person who is responsible for that, whoever, let it be outside the state, let it be those who are inside, whoever it is, they should be punished severely so that next time nobody will think doing such things. And I am sure this will be done and the culprit will be caught. This is about the authorities. Now what the tourists have to take place? What the tourists have to do? First thing is, we have to take our own care. So wherever we are going, you are knowing, we should find whether the place is safe and everything. Then we should not wear jewelry and all while we are going for the trip. So this we should take care. That is about the tourists. And even the government should make it compulsory that guide should be the registered guide. So if the guide is registered, it becomes much easier. And even the tourists, we should take care. We should understand about the place. Don't go to any dangerous places like this. What enjoyment we will get there? So, don't do such things. And nobody should blame the state, let it be any state, because no one wants to trouble any other human being. As these tourists were somebody's son, somebody's daughter-in-law, somebody's daughter, somebody's son-in-law, like that, each one is having his own families and everything. So it should be and naturally, I don't know, I felt very sad how it happened. And if it is outsiders, that is people from outside, coming here and doing such things, the government should be very strict. They may not be happy to look at the good things happening, so many visitors coming and economy growing. That is why if it is done like that, then it should be a very serious thing. Because I read in some of the things that it might be Bangladeshi or that wife is still in Bangladesh and all. I don't know what is what, just what I have heard. So if it is the work of anybody else outside our country, then also government should be very strict. We should not allow such people to come and do all such things in our country, no. Because when the tourists go anywhere, They should feel safe. First is safety, afterwards enjoyment and everything. If there is no safety, what is the use? So it is very, very important. Even the government has to take some action. If the forests are dense and dangerous, don't allow anyone to enter it. Prohibit those areas so that nobody will be entering that. And even as I told you, we tourists, we too have to take care. We can't blame others. So we have to take care of ourselves. And before going, at least nowadays, Google and everything is there for our help. If you are knowing local people, take their help and see that it is safe. And usually the places, because where I have visited, it can be Elephanta Falls or caves and so many places we have. But everywhere there were so many tourists. I don't know how this couple, only two of them went. Because whenever we have visited, even that garden, everywhere there were so many tourists like us. So it is also important. And don't go lonely alone, that too in the dense forest areas and all. We know nothing because everyone is coming in trouble. So, because even in social media, I have seen so many people blaming Meghalaya or eastern, northeast states, don't go, it is not safe. Then all. No, I tell you, all the northeast states are very, very safe. They are our own people. They may not be knowing our language, but they understand us so well. Even with their broken Hindi, many of them are knowing English, but some, even if some are there, they are knowing their only local language. Even with broken Hindi, they speak with us so happily, so nicely. So don't blame. And especially all the seven sisters, they are our own. Don't keep them aside, don't blame them. They are part of India. No doubt because of the geographical conditions, because of a harsh climate somewhere and bordering areas, they might have faced a lot of trouble. I know that it is not so easy to come up. But even then, with all those things, they have come up. I was very happy to see that even in Shillong, we are having IIT, we are having a national law school and everything. Very happy I was. Because those states should come up. They should be like our states. Their economic or whatever it should be. We should be equal. So we should help them to come up. And they will. Very good people, I tell you, with my own personal experience, I am telling. Very honest in the sense, I told you though, I had given by mistake more money. That shopkeeper lady returned me telling, ma'am, see, you have given me more. What? She should have kept it. I am a tourist, I won't be going to her again. But she never did like that. So truthful. That is why think that all the seven sisters are our own sisters. They are. It is the duty of each and every one of us to see that they too come up. Don't keep them separate. They are not at all separate. At least now a lot of things have done. Even I saw Ramakrishna missionaries working a lot there. So many things I have seen. Now they have developed or they are developing, we can see. So don't allow any negative elements to grow in your places. Because we human beings, all of us, we like peace, we like love, we like happiness. Everyone should be happy, everyone should be peaceful. That is why, even if any single negative element, criminal type, comes up, we should remove it with the root and crush it and destroy it. I am telling, destroy it, so that we all can live happily together. Don't worry, my brothers and sisters. There are many people who think like me. We are all there with you. Have a nice day.